problem that we have in the United States specifically is we have too few refineries. All right, at the gas station, on average, they make about 2 cents of profit per gallon. 2 cents of profit per gallon. In California, they put about $1 of tax per gallon. So they're saying, oh, these gas stations, they're too greedy, they're charging too much. They're charging 2 cents. Now that's the best case scenario. The tax is $1. Who's greedy? Anyway, the problem is we have too few refineries. Now why? Why do we have too few refineries? That is where we need to look at. So we can see diesel and gas refining capacity is too low to meet demand. Again, we didn't used to have this problem, now we do. Why? That's what we should always be asking. It seems like things used to work, now they don't. What changed? Well, what changed is that we don't have enough refineries anymore.